Today I'm working on the Cat 914K bucket lock, and it's had a real bad leak. I've lost gallons of hydraulic oil, and before I started recording I got all the hoses disconnected and the shield off, and now I'm working on getting the cylinder itself out. I tried prying it and pulling it and all sorts of stuff, and it's not coming out, so I'm gonna drill out the roll pins on the locking pins themselves. Hopefully that'll work. Well, drilling and hitting the pin with a punch both didn't work. That pin is real hard material and snug. What we ended up doing was we had a punch in this hole and a punch in that hole, and we were able to rotate it just enough to pop it loose, and then we were able to get some clearance for the pins and slide the rig out. Now that the cylinder is out, all you gotta do is punch these pins out and pull the locker out. I have found that it will not go in without taking the sliding pins out. Well, it's somewhat inconvenient to put the pins in while it's inside the framing, but it is in, and now it's time to reconnect the hoses.